Hi all, welcome to John's Marble Making. Thank you for tuning in. We have Lancaster Bober. There we go, the diecast version. Issues 25 and 26. Now we've completed 24 and 23. There's 24. That's the first landing wheel with part of the landing gear. Got a couple of pistons and struts on there. All pins. We carry on with that today. And here is the engine, looking absolutely brilliant. Dinky, but looks fantastic. I love it. Absolutely love it. Anyway, let's have a look at issue 25. So here we have issue 25. There we go. There's the Lancaster Bober. There it is. In issue 25, we have changed strut joints 2 times part 25C. Please use the parts in the plastic bag label 25SP and discard parts 25C in the cardboard box. We've also supplied with spare hinge pins 2 times parts 25D. Excellent. Put that to one side. There we go. First undercarriage continued. So we've got these struts are put in place. We've got 6 pins, I believe, altogether. So it's pin after pin after pin. That is what we're left with. Excellent. And coming in the magazine, or in the magazine, Lancaster FM213. Operation Manor. And coming in issue 26. Starboard undercarriage bay, shock absorber hydraulic unit, shock absorber joints, cog hinge pins and screws. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, we have the parts for stage 25. Okay, those are the substitute parts. So those we don't need. So we can pop them to one side. We've got the pins, we've got the struts. Yeah, I think that's everything that we need now. So there we go. That's all the parts. We have the retraction struts, 2 retracting jacks, and we have 25C 2 strut joints. Those are the substitute parts, of course. And then we have 4 hinge pins, short, and 2 long pins. Obviously we've got 2 spare short pins there as well. Okay, first thing we need to do is to pop 25A with 25D. Basically that will go there like that, and that will go on there, and we fix that in place with one of these pins. Obviously the smooth ending first. Grab one of that like so. Make sure this is lined up correctly. Okay, now we've got that lined up. Let's see if we can get this pin through here. They don't always go in first time, these pins. Let's see if we can get that pushed through. There we go. Excellent. That's the first one. And we need to do this one exactly the same. Okay, I think that is lined up now. So we get the pin into here again. That's not straight. Nope, that's going to be a toughie. Ease that in. Right, get that lined up. That should be lined up. There we go. That one was a little bit more fiddly, but it's in place. Brilliant stuff. Okay, put that to one side. Now we need the first strut joint. That will go into there like that, and again we need the short pins for this. Okay, let's see if we can get this lined up. Try that again. Oh, bells. These are being awkward today. There we go. Finally. Let's squeeze that through. Oh, nothing going. Weird. Let's try another pin. Yeah, that one has gone through, but it is loose, that. There we go. I ended up putting the pin on this side because that side it just went straight through, so it didn't, the rough part didn't grip, but it is in place and it's not dropping out now. Right, let's get the other one in place, that strut joint. Hopefully this one won't give me any problems. So once again we'll get the pin into the strut joint, get it part way through, and then we can line it up and push it through. Here's that other one, there we go. That one has gone through there now. I need these pliers there. There we go, that one. Yeah, let's push the pin through. And that one is holding steady. Excellent. There we go, so we'll have to watch out for them pins. That's the replacement strut joint as well. But yeah, they're in place. Excellent stuff. Let's move on. Okay, now we need the landing wheel, and we need more pins. Another pin there, and we need the longer pins for this. So we can hold that in place, get all that strut, get that into there. There we go. Now that has gone through part way, so let's put it all the way through. There we go, that one's going great. Now we need to do the same again with this one. Now I'm putting it in the first hole. Yeah, I think that's lined up there. So I'll fix the two assemblies together with a longer hinge, pin 25E on each side. As indicated, insert the smooth end of each pin first. So we can pop that down there, and hopefully that will, there we go, that's gone through. And now just a matter of tightening that up, pushing it all the way through. There we go. Them two pins are a lot easier. Excellent, that's how that should look at the moment. Brilliant stuff. Did worry about that strut. At one point it fell out the pin, but put it in the other way and it works fine. Excellent stuff. So that's stage 25 complete, and that is exactly how it should look. Brilliant. Let's move on to stage 26. Okay, stage 26, we have the starboard wheel. The undercarriage assembly is attached to the starboard undercarriage wheel bay. So you have a starboard undercarriage bay, shock absorber, 2 hydraulic units, 2 shock absorber joints, a cog, 2 hinge pins, more pins, and CM screws, 5 of, CP, 3 of. There we go, so we got more pins to put in place. I'm going to dread these pins. And then we can put the assembly together like that. There we go, but we screw all this together. That cog there basically is free. Yeah, so you might want to store that separately. But as the undercarriage assembly has been fitted to the wheel bay. Excellent. And in the magazine, the Grand Slam Bomb. That's a cracking read. And James Ginger Lacey. Excellent, another brilliant read. And your next set of parts coming in stage 27. Panel, housing, undercarriage, frame parts, motor and screws. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts. There we go, those are our parts. First thing we need to do, those are the screws. Pop them out of the way with that cog. We need to put the joint with the strut, hydraulic strut, and we need to fix these together with a pin. Here we have got daylight there. Okay, let's see if we can get that pin all the way through. It's part way through. Yep. There's me others. There. There we go. That's the first one. Nice and bonny. And we need the second one. We need another pin. Just line that up. See clear daylight through there, and we're fine. And again, pop that pin through here. we go, that has dropped in. That's great, so that should be lined up nicely. And now, oh, that one went in easily. Hopefully that won't come out later on. But that's gone through nice and bonny. Those are the two joints on those hydraulic struts. Excellent. Okay, now we got them pins out of the way. We need to put these struts 26D into these two smaller holes, which are at the top here. Basically the keyhole shape, so they will only go one way, thankfully, and that will go there, and we'll keep that in place with a CM screw. Okay, now we need to get the other one in place now. Okay, let's put the second one in. It's just there like that. I think let's keep that nice and straight. We can lay this up so that one has come out, that pin. Right, I don't know, these pins. Just give me a sec. There we go. I had to put a fresh pin in it, and it's gone in better on this side than the other side. Oh well, these things are sent to try us. Now we can put that into place again, just there like so, and we get another CM screw in from this side. There we go, excellent. That's them two struts in place. Brilliant stuff. Let's move on. Okay, now we can fit this into here, into the undercarriage. It goes onto this side and it goes there. There are two pegs down there. Yeah, you can see them protruding. That's how that should be, and we're fixed in place with two CP screws. Now turn that around. Let's do it from this side. There we go. Excellent. No more fiddly pins, please. Now we can fit the rest of the landing gear with a wheel. Obviously these two will go into them two hydraulic, what they call hydraulic struts. There we go, get them lined up like that. That goes there like that, and these two joints will fit into there. There we go, because they are keyhole shaped, and these are the two larger holes on that panel, and we need CM screws for that. Let's see if we can just turn this around and get it lined up. There we go. That strut will go, strut joint will go in there like so, and the other one will also go into there like that. So we need CM screws, two of, if they will behave themselves. I've got that held there, and we can get the CM screw in from this side. There we go. That is how that is looking at the moment. That will come around here and eventually go into there. Now there is a cog, it will actually go on to there like that, in there, but not just now anyway, so I'll just keep that somewhere safe. Yep, that's how that should be. That's straight. There we go, and that will eventually go there. Okay, we got them piston rods as well. Oh, it's looking brilliant. Fiddly little pins this time. I've replaced two of them now, just simply because they weren't good enough. Well, there we go. That's stage 26 complete. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go, guys. There is, well, part of the landing gear anyway. But yeah, it's looking fantastic. Like I said in the video, I had a couple of pins that just fell out again. I just put them in the opposite way. Replaced them both because they just keep falling out. But yeah, luckily we've got spare anyway. But yeah, that's looking quite fiddly. And obviously we've got that cog as well that we need to keep hold of, just for now anyway. Brilliant stuff. So we'll keep that all nicely together. Seeing the engine, that looks brilliant. Doesn't seem to be a great lot here for what we're paying, but it will look fantastic when it's done. This, yeah, you can already see how beautiful it's going to be. Excellent stuff. Anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 4 issues. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.